Welcome back, friends, and this is Grish, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how to use a view flipper. See, I am having a three layout, and each layout is having one image, and when I'm clicking on next, see, it's showing me the different layouts. Okay, for next, the next layout, for previous, the last one layout. So let's see how to work with this. And now just create a project, and this time view flipper demo. It's already having, and I'm deleting the last one. Okay, once again, file, Android project, and its name is view flipper demo. Then click on next, and the 2.2, then next, and view dot flipper dot demo. Click on finish. So here, just open your layout. So I'm opening the layout. The first thing, I need to change the background of my layout. So to change the background of my layout, I'm having a image for that as usual list view background that we have already using in a different application, and paste this one here. So this is the list view background, and go to main.xml, and here put a background that is will be drawable, and it will be a list view background, and I'm putting a padding for this, that is a 10 dp, and a gravity, I'm putting a gravity center. Okay, and now I'm deleting this text view. I didn't require it. This is how it look like. And now I'm using a different kind of layout over here to place that two component for for two button component, for one for next and one for the previous. I'm using a relative layout. This is particularly used to place a component relatively, that is anywhere in that inside that particular layout. So I'm using this layout. I'm dragging and dropping the relative layout. This is my relative layout. Okay, it comes in the middle because we are using a gravity center. And now I'm dropping two buttons, the first button, and this is the second one here. See, you can place your component anywhere. Okay, now I'm just naming this button. The first one that I'm going to name, the second one is will be the next, and the first one will be the previous. And I'm changing its ID. It's the pre, and second one ID is next. Okay, now I required a view flipper but for that view flipper I'm just using a different kind of layout, a vertical layout over here. This is my vertical layout, and inside this vertical layout I'm just dropping a view flipper. Okay, now move inside your code. See, this is a linear layout, and I'm just giving a padding of bottom, and so that it will start with some distance, a 10 dp. So it's look like this. And now inside a view flipper, this is my view flipper, I'm going to add, I'm using a layout to flip from one layout to another layout. I'm just dropping a layout, one vertical layout here. See, this is my vertical layout, so I'm dropping three layout. Okay, this is the first one because I'm using three images, second one, and this third one. And in this linear layout, the first one linear layout said 2, and this is one the 3, and this one will be the 4. And in the first one I'm just dropping an image. So for this I'm going to use some images over here, so I'm using these three images. You can take any image inside your resource, or you can we also know the code from how to retrieve something from SD card. You can also use the SD card concept here. It's up to you. So I'm just copying these three images and pasting it inside this drawable HDPI. Paste. Okay, and here inside this linear, select this, click between this linear layout, so it will display that particular linear layout, and drop a image over here. I'm dropping an image. okay, and select a image. I'm selecting a Java. So this is my image. As you can see, this is my image, and for a linear layout I'm using a gravity of center. So let's see how it look like. I think it's in the, now it's in the middle. The same attribute I'm just copying and pasting it inside all the layout. This one and this one, and I'm just copying these images. It's the first image. I'm just giving it a name, the 2, and I'm just changing this image to JavaScript. And same thing I'm going to do with the third linear layout, and this will be 3, and I'm just copying and giving it a drawable image, this one. So see, it will not look here because we need to add some code here, previous and next. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Next we will use a ViewFlipper, how to implement this ViewFlipper. Thanks for watching it.